G'day folks, we've had a good day today, but a bit smelly, a bit sweaty, time for a shower. And I thought at the same time I'll do a bit of first impressions slash review. I've used this shower curtain a few times, but I don't think I've ever actually been through it with you yet. This is the 23-0, and it's not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to do this or say anything nice about them, but it was given to me, so all cards on the table. It was a freebie, but I have used it and I do like it. So we'll just go through setting it up. I'll have the shower and I'll tell you more about it as I do it. The arms at the top have got a little clicker, they lock in. So once they're locked in, heap won't move at the top. Good thing about this one's black. The last one I had was a kick-ass. Kick-ass one was fine, no trouble at all with it, but at night time, when you had a light on the inside, you silhouetted. You could see the body movements and the body shape through thing. You can't with the black one. So inside you've got two bags. One's a dry bag and one's a bag for your soap. It'll allow it to drain. So then you've got the internal zip. Gives you access to the back of the car, which is great. You can keep your clothes and towel and everything dry. And it gives you access to the back of the truck during the course of the day while this is up. The corner hinges are really easy to use. They lock out really easy and they're really easy to unlock and put away. The only thing about the internal structure I don't like are those tabs. There's 4 of them. There's 2 of them to lock the metal away before you roll it up, and then there's 2 to lock the actual canvas away after you've rolled it up. The reason it's a pain in the ass is they all flop down because they have metal loops, and every time you put it away, everything gets caught underneath, in between the outer structure of the frame and the poles. And with 4 loops, you'll take one out and try to get the other one out. While you're getting the other one out, the other one will drop in, and it just goes on and on. So that's my water pump internally, and the hose, it runs from one of the tanks. The 2 tanks are separated. So the 75-litre tank feeds the water pump for pressure. When it's turned on, and that's a little switch there to turn it on, pressurizes a hose that runs from there all the way to the back tap. So I'll leave it off for the moment. Actually, I'll leave it on. And it comes through to the back tap. So this is the back tap here. It's just a toggle switch. Turn that toggle switch on. And it's leaking at the moment, but that's an easy fix. It's just a little seal that needs to be tightened. Let me show you the hose and the shower head. This is the Bunnings hose nozzle. It's got an adjustable head here, done up when you press it. And it's on, nothing comes through, and as you turn it on, the finest mist comes through, and that fine mist I can stand like that and hose myself from head to toe and use probably less than a litre of water, get myself completely wet, lather up, and if I need to have a stronger mist than that, I just wind it a little bit more, and that hoses the soap off. Absolutely fantastic way to have a shower if you're into conserving water. I use probably less than 2 litres of water total for a shower. Bunnings hose nozzle, really easy to adjust. Anyway, time to have a shower, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to see that. Just packing the 23-0 away now. So these brackets, 2 brackets, they've got clips that hold them out. See that? You just push that and it goes in. Same on that side. So that's the current shower setup in the new Tommy camper. Hope you got something out of this video. Make sure you give me the big thumbs up, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more videos. And if you want to support the channel, in the description below there's a Patreon link. Hit that, follow the bouncing ball, shout me a coffee. Anyway, till next time, safe travels.